Have you ever dreamed of stumbling onto a rare car part in the back of a pickup truck? Or maybe finding a vintage carburetor for $10 that turns your build from average to awesome? At the New England Dragway swap meet, stories like that aren't just possible, they happen all the time. This isn't your average flea market, it's a paradise for gearheads, collectors, and drag racing fans alike. People come from miles away to dig through rows of engines, wheels, memorabilia, and even full-blown hot rods. You'll hear the revving of motors, smell the blend of oil and old metal, and feel like you've stepped into a time machine. Whether you're a die-hard drag racer or just someone who loves old-school American muscle, this event has something for you. And the best part? You never know what you'll find next. From rare Mopar parts to unopened Hot Wheels from the 60s, it's full of surprises. So if you've never been to the swap meet at New England Dragway, this video is your guide. Let's dive into one of the coolest underground car scenes on the East Coast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's a bit of a hidden gem, New England Dragway's legendary swap meet. This isn't just a place where people sell car parts, it's a full-blown culture. Held in Epping, New Hampshire, this event brings together thousands of people every month. You'll see everything from drag racing veterans to young DIY builders wandering the lanes. It's loud, greasy, and full of character, just the way we like it. And whether you're buying, selling, or just browsing, you're guaranteed to leave with a story. The swap meet runs from April through October, usually on the first or second Sunday of each month. Vendors show up at dawn, and by 8 a.m., the place is already buzzing with energy. We'll talk about what you can find, how to prepare, and why. This place is so special, so buckle up and let's explore. The New England Dragway swap meet has been running for decades, making it a cornerstone of the local car scene. It started as a small get-together where racers would trade parts in the pits between runs. Over time, it grew into something much bigger, a true marketplace for all things automotive. Today, it's one of the largest and most active swap meets in the Northeast. It reflects the heart and soul of car culture: build, break, trade, repeat. Back in the day, racers didn't always have money to buy new parts, so swapping was essential. That tradition still lives on at the Dragway, and it's what gives the event its authenticity. You're not just shopping, you're connecting with a history of innovation and problem solving. Every dented bumper or rusted manifold has a story, and chances are the guy selling it does too. That's part of what makes it magical. So what exactly can you expect to find at the swap meet? In short, everything. Engines, transmissions, turbos, blowers, carburetors, valve covers, exhausts, you name it, it's probably there. Looking for a rare Hemi block or a flathead Ford intake? You just might get lucky. Beyond the heavy-duty parts, you'll also find tools, shop signs, vintage ads, and collectible die-casts. People even bring trailers loaded with entire project cars, some ready to roll and some in pieces. It's like walking through a scrapyard, a museum, and a garage sale all at once. Some vendors specialize in Mopar, some in GM, some just sell what they've picked up over the years. It's chaotic, sure, but also kind of perfect. You'll walk through rows of tables, tarps, and truck beds, never knowing what's around the corner. And that thrill of the hunt, it's unbeatable. One of the best parts of the New England swap meet is the people you meet. You'll find grizzled old drag racers, young mechanics, and even families just enjoying the scene. Everyone's there for the same reason, to share a love of cars. Conversations start easily. What's that? How much you want for it? Where'd you find this? There's a shared language of horsepower, ratios, and rebuilds. Even if you don't buy anything, you'll probably leave with a few new friends and some great stories. Vendors are usually passionate folks who've been in the game a long time. They'll tell you how they pulled that part off a 72 Nova, or how it shaved half a second off their quarter mile. The vibe is laid back, but there's an energy in the air that's hard to describe. It's a community more than a marketplace, and that's what makes it special. Every swap meet has its highs, and they usually come when you find that one part you thought you'd never see again. Maybe it's a rare Rochester injection system, or a mint-condition moon cap. People have found NOS, new old stock parts still, in packaging from the 1960s. Sometimes the seller doesn't even know what they're sitting on. Deals happen fast, so if you spot something good, act quickly. One guy found a complete 426 Hemi setup for half of what it'd go for online. Another traded an old go-kart for a running SBC 350. These moments make the event legendary. It's not just about getting a deal, it's about the thrill of discovery. And if you've got a sharp eye, the swap meet will reward you. You just have to know where to look. Of course, not every trip to the swap meet is perfect. Sometimes you'll walk the entire place and not find what you came for. Or worse, you'll spot something great, only to have someone else buy it a second before you do. There are no guarantees, and that's part of the gamble. Weather can also be a factor. Since it's outdoors, rain or mud can make things messy. And because it's mostly cash-based, bring small bills and be ready to haggle. Not everything is a bargain. Some sellers ask crazy prices while others will work with you. It's a mix, and part of the fun is negotiating. Also, wear good shoes. You'll be walking a lot. But if you go in with the right mindset, even the lows can be part of the experience. It's all about the hunt. If you're planning your first trip to the New England Dragway swap meet, here are a few tips. Get there early, like before sunrise if you can. The best stuff is often gone before 9 a.m. Bring cash, a backpack or wagon, and maybe even a tarp in case it rains. Write down your parts list ahead of time so you don't forget what you came for. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Most vendors are happy to talk shop. Also, be polite but firm when bargaining. If you're serious about a big purchase, bring tools to inspect it on site. And most importantly, don't forget to have fun. You're not just shopping, you're part of a tradition. And trust me, it's addictive. There are legends that come out of every swap meet, like the guy who bought a rusty toolbox for $40 and found rare Mopar badges inside. Or the time someone bought a trailer for cheap and discovered it was stolen. Yep, true story. Some people go just for the people watching and wild builds. You'll see dragsters on flatbeds, lifted muscle cars, and home-built rat rods. It's part chaos, part car show, and part treasure hunt. Some vendors bring the same stuff every month, while others surprise you with gold. There's a rhythm to the day. Early rush, midday bartering, late-day clearance deals. You'll hear engines roar to life as sellers test start parts in the lot. And if you stick around long enough, you'll leave with stories of your own. It's that kind of place. At the end of the day, the New England Dragway swap meet is more than just a car parts market. It's a living, breathing celebration of automotive culture. It brings together people who love to build, break, and rebuild, just for the thrill of it. Whether you're hunting for something specific or just going to soak in the vibes, it's always worth the trip. In a world full of online shopping and faceless transactions, this place reminds us why local communities matter. You get to shake hands, talk shop, and maybe even get your hands dirty. And with every visit, you become part of the swap meet's growing story. So if you've never been, maybe it's time to grab your tools and take a ride to Epping. You might find what you're looking for, or discover something you didn't know you needed. Either way, you'll leave with more than just parts. You'll leave with memories.